ours. That's because everybody's trying to keep this Claude Code forever. Okay, so it is what it is. Milady, what the? Is this a Milady? Is this a Milady? Dude, is this a promo for Milady? Okay, Claude Code source code. The full source code of Anthropic's Claude Code CLI made public March 31st, 2026. Oh, Anthropic posted on their GitHub? Jesus, dude. Ash. This isn't as exciting then. Table of contents, how it became public. Yeah, let's read that. So Shafan Sao discovered that the published NPM package for Claude Code included a .map file referencing the full unobfuscated TypeScript source, accessible as a zip from Anthropic's R2 storage bucket. An Anthropic employee subsequently made the source available in the public domain March 31st, 2026. So Claude Code is Anthropic's CLI, yada yada, documentation, architecture, explore with MCP. I mean, this is good news for us, right? I don't know if this is true, but let me see if this is actually factual. So let's go ahead here and say, so I now have Claude Code. You can see, go ahead and look at this Claude Code's source code. What does this mean for us developers? Okay, and how did this happen? It's March 31st, 2026, and somebody said that they leaked it, but then an employee posted it. And did they want this to happen, or did they not? But more importantly, does this mean that we can use really inexpensive models using Claude Code's infrastructure? Because if we have all the code, go ahead and look at this code and yeah, answer that question. Because for me, that's the biggest unlock. It's like if we could use MiniMax on Claude Code, then we pretty much replace Claude Code or Anthropic. Now, while it's saving $190 a month for me, I think the more important thing is I have like 18 computers here that are ready to run agents 24/7. And Claude Code was the best part of, OpenClaw and all that good stuff. Like, okay, yeah. So long story short, it would be revolutionary if we get Claude Code at Claude Code level of goodness with MiniMax or something like that. Use the one from Anthropic's Git. I'm not using either, but I would like to see that. What's the difference? Anthropic, Claude Code, GitHub. Okay. Anthropic's Claude Code. See GitHub, Claude Code. Is this from Anthropic? 10,000? Claude Code is agentic. Okay, so interesting. It's the same thing. I forked the wrong one. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that lives in your terminal. I feel like low key, let's see this. Claude Code leak. I'm confused on what happened. Did they just try to front run it? Like they leaked it and then they were like, boom, I'm just going to leak it ourselves. Claude Code source code has been leaked. Huge Anthropic leak just dropped. The entire Claude Code CLI is now public. Discovered by Homeboy. Full repo is live. It's spreading fast. The entire dev community is already tearing through it. So I'm going to let y'all cook. But now you know. Claude Code's full source code just leaked. Let's see here. Anthropic has not released a public beta. Claude's Mythos 5.0 beta is already rolling out. Okay, I read through the entire Claude Code source code, so you don't have to. 11 layers of architecture, 60 plus tools, 5 compaction strategies, sub-agents that share prompts. Most people are using maybe 10% of that. Could be April Fool's stuff. Okay, that could be good as well. Good eye. Dude. Good eye. You're right. Let me find the actual slugs for these games. Okay, good. So I'm also working on a couple bots here. It's interesting regardless. Yeah, interesting regardless here. So let's go ahead and have her say, can you go ahead and look through here at Claude Code, their source code? Supposedly just leaks of Claude Code, and I want you to try to find some alpha from it. Like, what are they doing? Anything new coming up? Anything I don't see straight up? Here's one GitHub, and then here's another. And I don't know which one is which, to be honest.